Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to design slide animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to design slide animation in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Now here I will make a design slide animation like this. First, go to our PowerPoint on a computer or laptop. Now here it is on the PowerPoint workpage. Next, we make a background. Go to Design. To the right, Background Format. Down here. In the Color section. Tap and change the color as desired. Next, we do Kithac. Go to the Insert menu. Tap to Shapes. Select a box. Like this. Then we use the cursor like I did this. Adjust the number and size to your needs. Then change the box color. On the right, tap Icon Color. And change the color as I did. Next, add a box. In the Shapes section, select like this. Arrange the box like I did. Change the color. Tap on Color. And change the color like I did this. Delete the outline. Tap on the outline pattern. Select No Outline. For the text, change it like this. Tap all the boxes. And make a group. Copy the box shapes. And paste. Now here is a new box. Adjust the slide and set the position the same as I did. Next, you can change the color so that it looks not blended like before. Then change the text on the button. Now here is a new box. Adjust the slide and set the position the same as I did. Next, you can change the color so that it looks not blended like before. Then change the text on the button. Now here is a new box. Adjust the slide and set the position the same as I did. Next, you can change the color so that it looks not blended like before. Then change the text on the button. Block all the boxes. And move them to the left position, adjust them according to the desired position, for example like this. And drag them to the right one by one to add their contents. For example here. Slide A. Text block in box. And make group. Return the box position to the left as before. Next box repeat as in the first text box example. And insert animation. Go to the animation menu. Select the down arrow image. Here are many options. We choose custom. Tap on the box. And direct to the right and adjust. Repeat the same thing to box B and the next box. After that, we run PowerPoint. And here click the button that has the letters one by one. Well, here the slide animation has moved. So that's it. Tutorial how to design slide animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.